Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate OneDrive for Photos Backup on Windows 11 step by. To activate OneDrive for Photos Backup on Windows 11, begin by clicking on the Start menu. Type OneDrive in the search bar and select the OneDrive app from the results. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your Microsoft account credentials when prompted. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your OneDrive account. Once signed in, look for the OneDrive Cloud icon in the taskbar at the bottom right of your screen. Right-click on the OneDrive Cloud icon and choose Settings from the context menu. In the Settings window, navigate to the Backup tab. Click on the Manage Backup button to initiate photo backup settings. You will see options for backing up your desktop, documents, and photos. Ensure the checkbox next to Photos is selected to enable photo backup. Click Start Backup to begin the process. You might be asked to choose a location for your photo backup. Select the appropriate folder or accept the default to use the Pictures folder. After confirming your selection, OneDrive will start backing up your photos automatically. You can monitor the backup progress by clicking on the OneDrive Cloud icon again. For additional settings, revisit the OneDrive Settings menu when needed. Now your photos are safely backed up to OneDrive, accessible from any device. Enjoy seamless photo management with OneDrive on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.